Stock market, is the stock market for everybody? Good day, my beloved listeners. This is Mon Mateo, retired financial advisor for more than 30 years. Today I will be talking about stock market of the Philippines, in short PSE, and why it is so important for you. Many don't realize the importance of investing in the PSE, Philippine Stock Exchange, and putting your money to work. Trust me, poverty only comes to those who refuse to learn and change their belief system. When you take ownership of your attitude, you will start harvesting great fruits. Never ever be irresponsible and be a burden to the people around you when you don't take initiative to put your money to work. Learn to take accountability and own destiny. What is the stock market? Stock markets are where individual and institutional investors come together to buy and sell shares in a public venue, monitored by the SEC. Nowadays these exchanges exist as electronic marketplaces. Share prices are set by supply and demand in the market as buyers and sellers place orders. Is it difficult to invest in the stock market? What makes investing in the stock market so difficult is tolerating its high volatility. Many investors are unable to stick with the stock market in the long run because of the ups and downs. But those who stay invested in spite of the risks are rewarded with outsized returns. Those who invested 25 years ago are all super rich, provided they have been patient to see the company invested growing through the years. What you should do? Learn to understand the technical and fundamentals of good companies. Companies like Ayala, SM, Converge, Chelsea, To-Go, Metro, Pacific Investment, and many more. Why is it so important to put your hard-earned money to work? If the money don't work as hard as you do, then you have failed as the master of your wealth. What are your options? Option number 1. Putting money in the banks. Banks are a terrible place to put your money. They only give 0.25% annual interest. Why do consumers still put money in the bank? One reason is because of safety and also for liquidity for business. Options number 2. Join the scammers. Options number 3. Learn the Philippine stock market, which is a legal entity. What is the average return of the Philippine stock market? Generally, if you buy good companies with excellent dividends, you should make between 12 to 24%. Do note it varies depending on the market conditions. For example, year 2020, all our Finways made more than 100% in just 6 months. That is because the market conditions were favorable to us. If you are putting money in the bank, think again. The rich are becoming richer and poor are becoming poorer. Whose fault is that? The answer is you. You are the master of your life. You should and must take full responsibility of your destiny. Remember, blame no one for your irresponsibility for not wanting to learn about investing. Make a change the way you think about investment. Start learning the Philippine stock market for start. Call Sharon at 09199104 today and join our classes. Why join our professional classes? At Finways, we take responsibility in training and developing you as a stock trader. We give you personal attention and ensure that you are well taken care. We will coach and mentor you for 1 year till you can stand on your own. We will tell you exactly what to buy and when to buy. We will also guide you when and how to take profit at the right time. We will be with you for 1 year. You can ask direct question to our chief moderator anytime. Classes. 1. You will be guided by the chief moderator for 6 hours on the basics of the stock market. 2. Once you have mastered the basics, the chief moderator will invite for an intermediate class. 3. Once you have mastered the intermediate session, the chief moderator will invite to join the advanced class, where you will learn the USA, Hong Kong and Singapore stock markets. Start learning the Philippine stock market for start. Call Sharon at 09199104 today and join our classes. When is our next class? We conduct our classes once every 2 weeks. Check the next schedule with Sharon. Call Sharon at 09199104 today and start your professional journey. Now that I have given you an idea of Philippine stock market and its importance, start today and join our classes. Speak to Sharon today and get things going. It is never too late to start, to ensure that your money goes to work and not end up into the poverty trap. Thanks for listening and learning from my video. But more importantly, put my ideas into action. This is Mong Mateo signing off from Finways, Philippines.